Hello, I'm Mike. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I shall share you an approach to rank top N accounts based on the user selection with DAX dynamic calculated index for visual slicer and field. In previous video, I have demonstrated dynamic ranking calculations to rank accounts based on user-selected KPIs with a free download opportunity analysis PBIX sample file from Microsoft Learnside. If you have no chance to watch that video, I suggest you to find time to review it. Okay, let's continuously from the previous video sample file on the screen. To get the top N ranking calculated index, we need first to create a simple table for top N selection. In this table, we need to create two columns. One is for list of the series integer number as top ranking options. For example, 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, and 1000. Here the 1000 is just an estimated larger number, which is larger enough to cover all listed existing accounts in my case. Another column is for a list of corresponding text string labels for those top N ranking options. For example, 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, and all. Of course, you can adjust these options according to your project needs. Load it and choose column label for top N and sort it by column top N. This table's data will be used later as top N option selections for user to rank accounts. Second step, also an important step in this video, is to create a DAX measure. Name could be account ranking index for top N option. It first defines a variable called selected top N number and assigns it the value of the user selection in the created new tables column top N of using the selected value function. Then returns binary value to the calculated measure based on a condition statement or if function, which evaluates whether an account's value ranking index is less than or equal to the user-selected threshold identified in defined variable. If it is, the expression returns a value of 1 using the value function, indicating that the account falls within the selected range. If it is not, the expression returns a value of 0, indicating that the account falls outside of the selected range. Now we have a table and an index measure ready for enhancing the report page with top N account ranking feature. Last step is to place the table field and measure into corresponding visuals in report page. In report view, select the pre-formatted slicer for top N account selection. Under its visualization tab, in Add Data to your visual panel, drag the column field label for top N and drop it to the empty field box. Then select the table chart. Expand the filter tab. Drag the measure account ranking index for top N option from a measure hosting table. Under the section of filter on this visual, drop it into the empty box marked with the Add Data fields here. From the drop-down list, under the title Show Items When Value, choose the Is option. In the below box, fill in the 1, then press Apply Field icon. Now we see the table chart's value list are ranked according to the user selected top N slicer. Select the bar graph chart. Repeat same steps as before. We see that bar chart is ranking the account values according to the user selected top N slicer. That is it. With the created table, and DAX calculated measure in Power BI that updates the report based on user top N option selections. You can have a more dynamic, interactive, and user-friendly experience for your report. In next video, I shall show you on how to create a reset button in report pager to reset or recover a clean and default report pager with Power BI bookmark feature when you or users are diving the report data with many and complex selections on slicers and filter. I hope that video will bring some helpful for your report. Thanks for your watching. If you like to watch more videos from my channel, please do not forget to press subscriber button. See you in next video.